because I do not want to work on the app for sure. But let's play some music first. Epidemic. And let's see if anybody joins on a weekend. I'm not very sure. Which date is that is also important. Live. This is 20. We'll say 21. Okay. And we can say pop out the chat. To be honest, I have no idea what I'm going to work on today, because I want to update my landing page, so I'll be opening that. 100. Oh, it was not 100. Add clone repo. 100 indie bets. Clone. Yes. Hey Shubham, hello, welcome. Someone is here. I'm working on the landing page today. It was pending for a while. Terminal. Yeah, or maybe I was using PNPM for this. Oh shit. PNPMI. Then there is another thing. For this I'll have to maybe go to AI Sidekick. Hey Shivam, welcome. How's your weekend going? Guys, what are you doing? $100 indie bets. I need to get some environment variables. Environment variables. Let me make a .env, and hard-coded variables are not shown. What? We don't have any environment variable? This is weird. Seriously? PNPM run dev. JPEG, hey. Wow. Guys, today you guys are pretty quick. Oh, okay, it's not in AI, it's in Vercel. My bad. I couldn't deploy it on there, so I moved it to Vercel. And here we have settings, the env variables, environment variables, and here we have, wow, we have a lot of client variables here. Let's see, let me add the variables, guys, just give me 1 sec. Strava client secret is there. This would be here. Then there is redirect URI, which should be here. Then there is refresh token, which should be here. Then there is next public Strava client, which should be here. By the way, I have shot the ASO video, which is coming on Monday. It's done. And then I have also shot some B-rolls today around like tech and like general lifestyle kind of content, which I will be using soon as well in my next video. So next video I have not like currently finalized what I'm making, but yeah, next week like I'm planning to release like 2 videos minimum, because I'm lacking a lot on content creation, and things are slowly getting back to normal. Tomorrow is Sunday. I am planning to work because I did not work yesterday much. Just give me 1 sec. I'm just adding my environment variables. I do not want to add them here. Okay, done. Done. JPEG, would it be possible to integrate the Postbridge feature into post handle? I'm willing to pay for your SaaS. Hey JPEG, I think you said the same thing on Friday. Okay, yes, I can. What kind of feature do you want? I am interested. Let me show you what post handle can do. I'm very optimistic about this. Even I have a meeting next week with one guy who is going to help me market this. I told him like I'm so bad at marketing that I have almost gave up on this product. So he said this is a solid product and it can make revenue. So you should not just abandon it. Keep working on it. And I was like, okay, if you say so, then let's have a meeting and give me some good insights on what do you think about this. So yeah, I'm interested to know what kind of features you want. Like you just need a scheduler, and what kind of scheduler that should be. Like you need an Instagram scheduler, TikTok, YouTube, or all the features which Postbridge currently has. Let me check what Postbridge provides. Postbridge.com. Varun, hi Varun. It's too bright. That's why I like dark themes. Oh man, they have almost every platform. And the pricing is very sensible too. What is our pricing? Where is our pricing price? This is bad. We should have a pricing price. Okay, I think I am already a premium member. So that's why pricing. Okay. Varun, hi. Harshit, yo. Shubham, by the way, can you give me marketer's number? Let him work with me first, and then maybe I can share your number. He's a very solid person. Like he currently is running a company, a funded company, and a funded startup with a big team. So he's just helping because he thinks I am doing some cool stuff. So he was interested to help me. That's it. There is no like other motive behind it. And similarly, I want to help him too. So this is a very sweet community of indie hackers in India. I'm finding out now. Even this remix with AI feature, I have like dropped dead in the middle of it. I should not drop dev apps like this. I have dropped them, but yeah, once I have like 5-6 apps ready, I will be more inclined to work on any one of them for a long term, because I want to like increase the revenue a little bit. So what are the features here? Grow your social reach with less effort for less money using Postbridge features. Cross posting. Upload your content to Postbridge and post it to any of your connected sources. Scheduling, content management, content studio. Okay. Weekly time saved 3 hours from 0 to... Does this work? I mean, I have this grid feature. I have all these template features, but do they work? That's the thing. I believe this Postbridge guy got famous on Twitter, and then it made sense for him to make a scheduling, like content scheduling tool, because he was already popular on Twitter by posting his development journey. I don't think anyone else can replicate the same thing that easy. Okay, while we are working on our stats. Okay, Control C. Maybe we need to run this again because Strava fetching is not happening. Access token is not variable, but does it work on the landing page? It does. JPEG, I'm posting from Postbridge around a month and I'm getting around 3,000 to 6,000 views. Really? JPEG. Can you join on Discord if you are already using Postbridge? I would love to have like you onboarded on Post Handle and start using it and give me some feedbacks, and I'll be adding features for you, so it simplifies your life and makes it easier for you to like post content similar to what you're doing on Postbridge. But I will be helping you on board on Post Handle, and we'll be building features. Like you will be the user who will help me get to that state where you feel like, okay, what I was using Postbridge for, I can use Post Handle. If you are interested in that, please ping me on Discord and we can work on it, because I wanted a user who is already paying for some tool like that, and what would it make sense for them to transfer from Postbridge to Post Handle or any other tool to Post Handle, like what value we can provide in Post Handle. So this would be very valuable, JPEG. Okay. So I think I want to add a YouTube grid here today. Command L. Or maybe we can use Claude. Show YouTube. Hey Aditya, how is it going, bro? Hey Shalind, how are you? Long time no see. Aryan, bro, what are you building? Aryan, so I am usually building my iOS app, but today I am updating my landing page. So this is the 100indiebats.com, which I am currently running. This is my own personal project where I'll be showcasing like my journey across like building these apps, which I'm currently building. I have published like 6 apps already, and how much code I'm like committing, how much my health history. Now currently I'm working on this YouTube thing. So in one single dashboard, you can see like my code commits, my workouts and all. Code is happening a little bit less these days. I'm busy with one other YouTube project as well. So yeah. Next week, I'm thinking like, no matter what, I have to like sit for 3 hours daily without thinking about anything else. And rest of the time I can do other things, YouTube and all. Varun, did you try Seed Dream 4? Yes, Varun. I really love using it. I feel it's like for some use cases it's better than Nano Banana. Aryan, okay, पूरा history नहीं पूछा था. Okay, bro. Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry to bother you with my history. Seed Dream 4 is crazy in character. Yep. It works for some cases. When it works, it really blows my mind. JPEG back. JPEG, you're back. I was talking to you for a while. Aryan, try Rocket Hub. Maybe help. What is Rocket Hub? Get lifetime deals on the best software. You mean this? Aryan, is it your website? Are you promoting it here? What can it help? Oh, it's your website. Nice. Startup perks. In JPEG, in his starting days, I emailed multiple bug issues to the Postbridge founder and he gave me a $20 discount on the yearly plan. Bro, I'll give you a $50 discount. You come to this side and help me build features for that. So Twitter API limits are very hard. I don't know how he's handling that. That's why I gave up. I thought like I can never schedule on Twitter. What's the point then? Product hunt and this. Aryan Codes, I don't understand. Did you build this website or are you promoting it? Because product hunt and this, what does that mean? Varun, they help you in marketing. Oh, okay, Aryan Code, nice. Okay, I understood now. My bad. So Rocket Hub and Product Hunt, you mean, are the places where I can post about my products for marketing, like this. Okay. So this is kind of a listicle similar to Product Hunt. That's cool. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for telling me about this. We'll check it out for sure. Let me bookmark it. Bookmark bar. We'll add it to so many folders. We'll just bookmark for now. Is anyone building any tool for like bookmark manager or something where I can search for something and it can just browse through all my saved bookmarks and tell me maybe this is relevant for your problem? Aryan, is there any other place to launch? I mean, there are a lot. Like there are 10 other websites similar to Product Hunt, which I found. And I think I shared a tweet long back. Even I have a bookmark of that where I have 100 directories where your product should be launched, which I haven't done. What I feel generally is, which is again a very wrong thing. I feel like my product is not at the stage where I want it to be. So I feel like once it will be there, I will launch there. And in this process only, I slowly grow. But I think this post handle thing, I will be launching it at many other places once JPEG joins my team and we build it together. Together means like he will be the user, number one, who is using it actively, and I'll be building accordingly. Nice extension idea. Yeah, guys, anybody who is trying to build on Chrome, first check like if there is any such tool exist, because I have like almost 100 plus bookmarks. I never go through them, but if there is an extension where I can see, do I have a bookmark for marketing, and it can just give me, hey, yeah, you have like these 10 bookmarks, try checking them out. Or maybe suggesting me any bookmark randomly every day. You know, back in I think 2010 or no, sorry, 2015, there was this website which we used to browse a lot. Back then there was no such heavy penetration of social media, so we used to go to this website. It used to give you random websites, very interesting websites, and you just click next, it will give you another good website. Click next, it will give you another good website. I forgot the name of that website. It was very catchy name. It went very viral as well. Aryan, Arc browser use karo bookmark. Try remembering. What is remembering, Aryan? Is it like an extension, or you're saying like use your brain to remember? Remembering. वो website, try remembering website. Oh, okay. Let me ask ChatGPT. Hey, so I remember there was a website in I think 2014, 2013 where we used to just, that website used to show you some interesting other websites. So you just click next, it will show you another good website, and you click next, it will show you another good website. It was very popular back then. Let's see if ChatGPT knows about this website. Ah, yes, ChatGPT gave us the name of that website. It's called Stumble Upon. Yes. Oh, now they are mix. Shit, they are closed or something. Or they are not. I don't know. Get on iOS and Android. Earlier it was a web app. Stumble Upon. Now it's called mix.com. It was like I used to browse this a lot. Website shorts, yes. Yes, it was something similar. It used to give you very crazy results, and if you like you can like something which goes to your bookmark history, and then you move to next, something like that. Now it's a bit different. For example, next, now they are showing video and images more, I guess, not websites. So this is not the same thing. They have moved their thing to something else. But these are also links, I guess, but they are showing like this is a Reddit link. So they are still doing the link redirection. But earlier it used to show the just websites, and I found some interesting websites using this Stumble Upon back then. Okay, so this has created my YouTube content creation activity and stats. It's showing it like this, and I'm also not liking this kind of view. There is an issue on our GitHub grid. When I hover over the right side elements, it shows a pop-up. So first issue is the pop-up is not fully visible because it hides behind the container, and also because it's hiding, which means the width is increasing more than its container's width. So the scroll bar is messed up on the bottom. So first of all, we do not have to show any scroll bar in a grid view. Secondly, all the hover pop-ups which we are showing should be on like with the highest z index, and they should be showing like as a floating container, so they should not hinder with the other containers inside that grid. Let's see if this gets fixed. So you see, this is happening. This should not happen. Wipe coding. Yes, bro. This 1 hour is just for wipe coding. Aryan, how did you find out about this channel? You are new here, I guess. I'm old. Oh, really? So you are new on chat then. I have not seen you around on the chats especially. But yeah, I'm sorry if you're old. It's done. Let's see. Wow. Our hover is gone. Shit. Now I can't even see the hover. When I hover over it, any element, it does not show the pop-up which was showing earlier. So yeah, maybe I think you have done some changes where it's not visible anymore. Uh, Aryan already subscribed. Siddhant Totia. Lol, we exist, bro. We don't message, we do watch. Nice, guys. Thank you for messaging today. And thank you for subscribing and watching these streams. I really appreciate it. And I would really love like if you guys like do engage in the chat as well. This keeps it super fun for me to just keep talking and sharing and understanding you guys as well. True, you're lucky. I'm humbled to be this lucky. Ah, okay. It's doing something. What the hell? Varun, the Rocket Hub helps the one indie hacker from India in promoting his product. By their help, this product reached 65,000. Oh, wow. Amazing. JPEG, I graduated in 2025 from a tier 3 college. How should I apply for a remote job? Any suggestion? Nah. That's a good question. So if you, it doesn't, first of all, like I think in 2025, it doesn't matter which college you pass out from. And to be honest, like this is my opinion. I could be like 100% wrong too, but I feel most of the courses which engineering students are studying right now are obsolete because ChatGPT and all the AI recently came in last 2-3 years. The market is evolving so fast that the study which people are doing on the colleges are kind of like obsolete, because you can study all that with ChatGPT much faster. If someone has that learning bug in them, like if someone wants to learn something, the path is very smooth. You do not have to go through a lot of tutorials, teacher finding, course finding. You can just chat with ChatGPT and keep doing learning things, new things. And so yeah, so that means like your tier 3 college or any other big college doesn't matter much in terms of your placement and all. The only thing which matters is your skills, like how good skills you're building. And remote jobs specifically require someone, this is as per my experience. Like I have hired a lot of remote teams in my previous startup, and I found out not everyone is meant for remote jobs. There are people who are high autonomy. High autonomy means they work by themselves without observation. Like no, you do not need to guide them much. They are self-sufficient. They can ask good questions, they can execute, and they learn it because they have been doing like the work like this. And so if you want to get a remote job, become have this autonomy mindset where you do not need a lot of guidance or that pinging, like, hey, have you done it, nobody should ask you. You should be the one who is asking what to be done and executing it. And then if you are that kind of a person, getting a remote job becomes super easy. And what you can do is just start building projects, your own projects. I mean, guys, there is no shortcut these days. No amount of DSA learning or any algorithmic learning will give you highlight as much as just building projects. Just build projects. It's super easy at this age in 2025. So start building as many projects as possible. Start talking about them publicly. I'm pretty sure you will be found by some interesting teams very soon. So the only hack right now in 2025 is build products, start talking about it online. That's it. Starter story. Oh yeah, I do watch starter stories video. They pop up on my feed sometimes. Very good channel, starter story. Yes. You're right. We need AI to force to work. 6.5 student finding good jobs and 9 CGPA students are still learning skills in Hyderabad. Divyanshu know that place. Okay. You mean Ameerpet? Is it Ameerpet or something? Okay, now it worked. So we have fixed this bug. Even this is good. Strava would be fixed or not, I don't know. Let's review the code now. My YouTube content, this is fine. Section is fine. Yes, worked at multiple SMMA US agencies, some of them earning around 100k a month for 3 years. Now I have left and I want to learn coding. What JPEG? Worked at multiple SMMA agencies. What are SMMAU agencies? First of all, question number 1. Some of them earning around 100k a month. 100k a month? What do you mean? Like these agencies are earning this much and paying others? Now I have left, and you left that to learn coding. Why? Like you already have that amount of money around. Is it just for passion? Running meta ads and lead automation and making landing pages for conversions. Okay. Aryan, okay, 10 o'clock. I'm distracted. Goodbye. सालों बाद मिलेंगे. Bye, Aryan. Online visibility is important. Maybe LinkedIn or X. Yes, try X or anywhere. Like start posting your daily learnings and all. We have a live example in these chats. Like there is this guy Abhinav who used to join these live. Like I think when I started, and he was at 200 or 100 followers on Twitter. He started posting what he's learning daily, time lapses, and he reached to I think now 10,000 followers. He's getting paid by Twitter. So yeah, I'm pretty sure he might be getting connected to some like good big creators on Twitter, and he might be getting some offers if he share his code because he has that amount of visibility. So yeah, live example in these chats. Social media marketing agencies. Okay. So you are from a marketing side and now you want to move to coding. JPEG, you sound super interesting, man. You should definitely ping me on Discord if you are okay with it. Just give me a sec. I'm getting a message. Okay, done. And now he's at V0 ambassador, I think. Yeah, he's also an ambassador for V0. Crazy. So he's like, but yeah, he has done a lot of hard work to reach there. It was not luck. It was his consistency for almost 6 months. And he's still very consistent on Twitter. Data, day by date. Then this is a tooltip, which is okay. Hover day is null and not mobile, and tooltip is class name, query selector, bound client top, query selector. I mean, why are we adding this kind of HTML tags here? This is completely new, which is okay. So we can publish it. Is there any open API which gives public data of a YouTube channel? Like I hit this API and it returns how many videos a public channel has, how many of them are live, how many of them are shorts, how many of them are normal videos. Let's see. Yes, there are APIs that exposes public. Official YouTube data API. Limitation, the API does explicative video. Third-party APIs. There are few wrappers. Rapid API, no. Social Blade. DY approach. No, I don't know DY approach. JPEG. I worked because I didn't have money to start my own startup, so I joined an SMM agency. They are paying me around 1,000 to 2,000 a month. I got inspired by Bill Gates. Without marketing, no product can be successful. So I focused on learning marketing in my early college years. Wow, JPEG. Very super inspiring, man. Very inspiring. So what do you guys think? Should I go with the official YouTube Data API? I don't want to spend so much time on Google console. I start to feel vomity when I look at Google Cloud and AWS dashboards. Oh, sorry. Give me step-by-step instructions to get a YouTube API key. Oh, fuck. So I can start using the V3 for the data fetching. Give one instruction at a time. Varun, I don't know if good or bad. I have at least $5 credits in platforms like OpenRouter, Replicate, and I'm suggesting to my junior too. I don't know why. That's a good advice actually. I met someone yesterday. He's a very old colleague of mine, and he was saying like he watches my content and he's like he wanted to meet me because he wanted to build his own software. He's a very good software engineer himself, and he said like I have a lot of time and I want to build my own side projects. And I said, why don't you build something with AI? Like there's a big wave right now, everyone is building on AI, so maybe spend some time on AI. He said I did try, but when I went to like make my app, I found out like I have to connect my card and pay for it. I was like, so what? He said, I don't want to pay while building it. I said, bro, how much you will be paying? Like you will be paying like $2, $5 while you are building it, but after that you can charge users to pay for those API calls. So that's how businesses work. You cannot just start from free. So I feel like the mindset right now is that people do not want to even like some engineers do not want to even pay for the initial development phase. They think like we want to get everything for free initially, which I believe is a pretty bad mindset in my opinion. Like you have to pay for these APIs to build something locally first, and you have to experiment a lot. So be ready to spend at least $20-30 on just experimentation for months, and then you can move to like asking users to pay for it. Otherwise, think of it like any business as a loss. Okay, you lost it, but you learned something on the process. So yeah, it's a pretty good advice, Varun. Israr is missing these live streams. Israr, I think he's traveling to Dharamshala. Last time he was here. Sign into Google account. I am in. Go to Google Cloud Console. Here you will manage projects and credential. I am in. Step 3, in the top bar, click project or select a project, then click new project to create a fresh, give it a name, YouTube Data Fetcher. I have done. Okay, I have done. Step 4, your project selected, navigation, API service and library. YouTube Data API. YouTube Data API v3. Okay, so we'll go to manage then. Done. Credentials. So click enable on your YouTube Data API v3 page to enable. It's enabled, bro. Done. Step 3, click create credential at the top left. Create credential. Select API key. Okay. We can call it 100 indie bets. 100 indie bets. Okay, done. You now have your YouTube Data API. Step 7, copy this key and keep it safe. You can start using it in your API calls. For example, your API key. Okay, let's see if it is working. This is our API key. Channel ID. What is my channel ID? Divyanshu. Okay, YouTube. Is this my channel ID? Total result page 5. Kindly tag page info. And if I paste it not, message error. Perfect. So API key is here, which is good. I can just add it on my env. Just give me a sec. Oh, YouTube API key. Okay. I've just added a new YouTube API key on our environment variables, and I want you to update our YouTube API, which will be a Next.js API, calling YouTube, and there should be an API call similar to how we have in Strava, which would go and fetch the videos which that particular channel has published. The channel ID should be hard coded in that API call, which I will update later. And you can just give me that location where I have to update that. Do not print our API keys anywhere in the chat when you're talking. Just use them in the code with the proper environment variable access. And yeah, make that call which returns the data in a format. Like we want to get an array of each day and how many videos were published. Also a breakdown of was it a short, a video, or a live. And yeah, that's it. Let's see. Varun, I have been experimenting a lot with OpenAI, OpenRouter, and Replicate. The money I have spent so far is just my pocket money and a bit from side gigs, around $10, mainly on trials and tests. Exactly, it's not super expensive. Like it's fun. Like for me, the more I use them, the more fun it is to experiment with all these, new tools which come out with the LLMs, Replicate, OpenRouter. I have a monthly budget of $100, which I use for all my AI calls. Like that is what I pay for Cursor. That is what I pay for the Claude Code, not Claude Code, but basically Kimi K2. And then there I pay for OpenRouter. And then I pay for like Cursor's extra charges which come up. And I'm paying for Windsurf also these days. And plus all these Replicate and all. So total bill, I think like it's less than $100 every month. Write it, bro. Finish it. Wow, this AI rapper project, I have been working on it since 2023, November 2023. I quit my job in September. So okay, I started this project in November only. Wow. So it's been almost 2 years now. Just waiting for it to finish its thing. Okay, it's adding a cache, which is important. Without asking, it's adding a cache limit. Replace it with your actual channel ID. This is where you can change the hard-coded channel ID. How do I get my channel ID? The question is that. I think this is my channel ID. Where is this project running, by the way? What? It was running somewhere. Okay, here. So we'll have to start it again. pnpm run dev. Okay, so this is the API call which we can make. Let's see if it is working. Localhost 3000 / API. It's a get call. Summary for 30. Failed to fetch YouTube data. What happened? Channel not found. Is it? But how to get the channel ID? But this is my channel ID. This is weird. What the hell? Has created a new get channel ID. Bro, how to find a YouTube channel ID? Channel ID finder. Okay, there are websites created just for this stuff. Wow. Okay, I got my channel ID. Wow. I never knew it would be so much of a problem. Got it, bro. I don't need this function. And I don't need the fuck. This code has become such a commodity that it spits out so quick. You don't need anything. Okay, let's call it now. Yes, I'm getting a good data here. So what was the API calls? It gave me some APIs. Get comprehensive landing page data. 30 days data. Then there is this API YouTube type landing. Whoa, it's fetching everything. Nice. Hey Vidit, how are you, bro? How is it going? Uh, okay, so now we have all the YouTube data and I have tested the API. They are working fine. Can you enable this API and plug it on the landing page YouTube grid to show the grid data properly? Also update the grid in a way that we only show light red to dark red colors, not like different colors for shorts and videos. And we just show the number when we hover over any grid element. We should show if it's like how many shorts are there, how many videos are there, and how many lives are there. And if there are like all three are available, we will be making it much darker. And if there are like only just one video, we make it less darker. And if there is nothing, we make it like white, similar to how we show in GitHub or in Strava. How are you doing? What about the Goa meetup? Hey Vidit, I'm doing pretty good, man. Just caught up with a lot of other stuff right now. I am planning to do like, yeah, we can plan a Goa meetup. I'm thinking of like inviting 5-6 people, and there is this person who I know who is really good at managing like meetups. So I will be having a discussion with him. I think he's not in town these days. So once he's back, I'll be talking to him. We can have like a meetup for sure. We can just meet up. I'll like host a meetup, and he will be helping me, or like I can see some arrangement. But yeah, we'll do this. We'll do this for sure. Hopefully before Diwali. Hopefully. But how are you doing? And guys, I would really appreciate if you can just like the stream, please. Pretty please. I'm doing good. Nice with it. By the way, I heard recently I met a guy who is doing his engineering from Bits also, and he told me some weird case which happened in Bits recently in Goa about some suicide and all. And they were like talking about how there is like some stuff going on where the management is saying like it was a drug related issue or something like that, and we had some discussion around that. What do you think? It will work on the first one single shot? What is it doing here? Perfect. Now let me clean up the temporary test files. Where are these test files? Bro. Yeah, you haven't made any test file. Okay, now let's see if this is working. Ooh. One video, two video. 179 videos, 15 shorts, one live stream, 159 active days. Guys, this is crazy, right? But is this correct? Was I this much active in Jan, Feb, March, May? This is very active time. I have been super not active in this time. What happened? Bro. Let me ask it to do one thing. Can you change one thing? When we hover over our YouTube grid, I want you to show an exact breakdown of what was published on that day. Like, was it a short, was it a video, or was it a live? So if, for example, if I have published uh, two content on a single day, one could be a short, another could be a live. So show in the hover one video, one live, and not just two videos, three videos, just one video, one live, one short, something like that. And remove the horizontal scroll bar on that YouTube grid. We do not need a horizontal scroll bar. And then similarly we can do with the Instagram content later on, and I will also do a Twitter one very soon. Okay, updated the hover bar is saying one video, one video, one video, one video, one video, video. What is this, bro? Okay, can you print console log for the data which we receive from the YouTube API? We want to just print this data, but yeah, it's okay. Let's see, some data is not. JPEG, how many hours you code in a day? Nah, these days not much, to be honest. Like this week was very bad in terms of my productivity in coding, but I try to do like 3 to 4 hours, minimum 3, maximum 5. This is my range when I'm like, and if I have done 3 hours of coding, I consider that day as super productive in terms of work. With it, why are you fetching the YouTube data every time when someone is coming to your website? Ideally, there should be a cron job doing it once every day to avoid the rate limit. Yes, with it. So there is a caching layer. So once you fetch the data, then I cache it. So like it does not fetch it every time. It just caches it. And then there is a limiter. I think the limiter is every 2 hours. So it fetches every 2 hours, which I can increase. For now, like there is not much traffic. So that's why I have limited to 2 hours. I think the main limiter was I added this caching layer because of Strava, because Strava has a limit of I think 100 API calls or something like that for my plan, which I am on. Abhinav, yo, hey Abhinav, welcome man. How are you doing? Currently live. Yes, currently live. Daily summary. 0 to 99. 0 lives, total 1. Video 0, short 0, lives 1. On 29, 2025. Today is 29. Okay, today we have done 1 live. Total 2. 2 videos. Okay, understood. So it's counting. Live is not counted as a separate video. It's counting it as a video only. So that's the problem. That's why it's showing 1, 2, 1, 1. These are all lives. But why we have no live on? Okay, this time I was not live. But I was live here, right? I started going live from 11th, which it is showing. But 13 ke baad, it's not showing anything. Crazy. Varun, Divyanshu, check the tweet. I just start tweeting my learning progress of Go. That's amazing, Varun. All the best on your new learning journey. And I would be following your journey as well on Twitter if you have tagged me somewhere. Okay. Awesome. Wow. This is cool. Let's repost this. And I will say all the best. That's crazy. Abhinav, I am fine. I saw you weren't streaming day before yesterday. I thought you are on break again. I'm sorry. I didn't stream yesterday. But yeah, day before yesterday I did, Abhinav. But before that I did not. So yeah, things are a little bit, settling in and I'm getting into the groove. But yeah, I'm doing pretty good now. I'll be streaming almost daily as much as I can until I'm here in Goa, which I am for a long time. And the app has been submitted to App Store. Fingers crossed. I hope it get approved by Monday. So we will have the new stats for that app, which I will also share with you guys here. And we'll be starting the new app from Monday. I'm working on like a little bit of an ASO for the second app, which will be working. And I am pretty sure this app will be very quick because everything is ready. We just have to now start churning more apps. Oh shit, my camera stopped. Okay, I think my camera is saying now it's time to go back to sleep. Okay, it's still not showing. It's back. It's back, right? Wait. I can't go without saying a bye. Okay, it's back. And I want to start building things too, but I'm putting my time to Go's job. That's cool. Abhinav, by the way, a good thing happened. 10K final done. Oh wow, Abhinav, congrats. I was just telling guys here that someone was asking how we'll do some confetti for you. This is for Abhinav, guys. Crazy work. Awesome, Abhinav. Like starting a journey from 100 followers to 10,000 in the last 6-7 months. That's super awesome. So, yeah, congrats to you. And on that high note, we will be ending this stream. We'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. If I get into a mood by evening, I'll come. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on Monday. Perfect. See ya. Have a good